Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's video, we will show you how to add page numbers in Google Documents. Numbering pages is not something reserved only for books and magazines. You can also number the pages of a business proposal, research paper, and even your homework. For any document that is more than a few pages, it makes it easy to keep track of everything. It also makes it easier to put all your pages in order after printing, if they are to get mixed up somehow. And in this regard, Google Docs does have a complicated page numbering system, as you are going to find out. Open Google Documents that you need. Click on Insert tab at the top tools bar. Go to Page Numbers and choose the position option that you like from the list. It can be page number at the top or bottom right corner of the page. You can also choose the option of having a number on every other page. If you want to use custom page numbers settings, go to Insert tab at the top tools bar. Choose Page Numbers from the list. Click on More Options. Choose the position of the page number, header or footer. Check or uncheck the option Show on First Page. Go to Numbering. Set the starter number. Click on Apply once you're done. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!